Hi friends, how are you all? This is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and this is the query asked from one of our friend in Excel group. Sorry, in Facebook group. Okay, actually, see. First of all, I'll explain you how it works. Okay, here is the output. Here is the output. What you want to be. Okay, A1 to A10. Again B1 to B10, again C1 to C10. You can do copy paste. How to activate copy paste? The clipboard control CC double time. Okay. Control CC. Clear all. Control C. Control C and Control C. Okay. Now after coming over here, click over here, paste all. See. But this is not a dynamic one. Okay, but this is not a dynamic one, so you have to make it dynamic one, so that whenever if you change any value over here, it should be reflect in output. Okay, it should reflect in output. Okay, so suppose if I change anything B2, so here see, check guys, B2 here I am changing B2 Excel, so this should make a dynamic. Okay, Control Z. See now, first of all, this should repeat 9 times. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times it should repeat. After repeating, it has to go over there. Means first row, first column. Sorry, first row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. First row, fifth column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay. So here see. First row, first column. First row, first column. First row, first column. First row, second column. First row, third column. First row, fourth column. First row, fifth column. Like this. Okay. 7, 8, 9. 10 is not there. After A10, A10, A9 is there. So you have to make it A10. Okay. So what you will do here, you want A10, right? So remove +1. Let's see what will happen. Okay, +1 should be there. Okay, +1. Now instead of this -1, if I do like this, to enter, double click. A8 is coming, last A8 is coming, so still we need A10. So you do one thing guys, -1 divided by 10, control enter. Now 1, see, after A9 A1 is coming. How is it possible? No, this one, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 only. So F2 -1, control enter, A9. This one you have to change to 10. Wait a minute guys, it should repeat 10 times. It should repeat 10 also here also. Double click. Okay. Okay, understood. So yeah, I'll explain you formula over here now. Control shift down arrow, delete, F2. Okay, first of all, see guys, I'll extract only this part, F9, so it will show you 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 divided by 10, 0 plus 1. It will take only the one part. Okay. It will take only the first part. Okay. Like this. Here will still be here. Okay. Still. Here also the same thing. Here you have to use mod function to get a remainder. to get a remainder. Okay, if I select this one, only this part, number f9, so 0 divided by 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, f9. So from first starting to ending I will explain you this one. Here I will explain you. Rows, open the bracket, $2, K2, control enter. Okay, it will increment the number, it will log the row but not the column, so it will increment the number. So make it -1 and mod, take a mod and body mod. How many times? 10 times. Control enter. I'll show you. Okay, here 10, here you have to get 10. Okay, plus 1. See. Okay guys, so apply this formula over here. See, is equal to index, I am locking all sides. Get it down arrow, f4 comma, rows, open the bracket, $2, G2 -1 divided, you have to use int, divided by 10, 10 plus 1, sorry, 10 plus 1. Oh, somewhere something I did wrong. Okay, okay, do it off like this, comma, column number, more, open the bracket, rows, open the bracket, $2, G2 -1 divided by 10 plus 1. Let's see, it will work or not. Let's see, otherwise we paste the formula over here. Okay, no issues, we can paste the formula over here because already I did here. Int control C, F2, take this row column, control V, remove equal sign, control enter. And here also I did this one, F2, copy this, control C, F2, sorry, here it is, F2, comma, control V, control enter. It's not an array function. Okay, break it as a control shift enter. It's not array function, then why it is asking me? Okay, I did reverse one, guys. Copy this mode part, control C, sorry, control X, remove that one, control V, comma, enter. Then something went wrong, something went wrong again. H2, K2, K2, H2, F2, G2, something wrong over K2, take G2 here also, G2, all G2s, control enter. Now let's see. Procedure is correct, I don't know why it's happening. This should repeat 10 times, again this one, this should repeat 10 times. Yeah, this one I copied here, first one, F2, control C, escape, F2, and control V, comma, more, open the bracket, rows, open the bracket, $2, G2 -1 divided by 10 plus 1. Let's see. It's a normal function, guys. It's not a, okay, what happened? somewhere something went wrong. F2. Okay, why I'm taking this one, red one? G doll F2, G2. Control, enter. The procedure is correct. Mod. Right, mod, I take that one only. See. Here it is. Right, F2. This should repeat 10 times. Later it has to go there. Somewhere something wrong, guys. Somewhere something went wrong. The procedure is correct. It's not like that. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Okay. This one I have to copy first one. Okay. F2. The mode one I have to copy. I'm a little bit confused. Every time I get confused in the small things only. Comma. Control, enter. We'll take this one. F2. Copy. F2. Control V. I did wrong way. I did reverse way. For that reason, thank you guys. I'm a little bit hurry because I'm getting calls. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.